Hi, I'm Sonna Brado, Global Artist for KMS, and I'm from Spokane, Washington, USA. Today on my model, Emma, I'm going to be taking her one-length hair into a shag. To prep Emma's style, I started with the CONSCIOUSSTYLE shampoo and conditioner. This gives weightless moisture. Because I'm doing a razor cut on Emma, I'm going to prep her hair with the MOISTREPAIR Revival Creme. It gives a nice slip and it helps the razor to move effortlessly through the hair. Right now, Emma has a bob, and so the longest hair is actually on top and the shortest is underneath. We're going to be flipping that completely upside down. So I'm going to be keeping all the length on the bottom and taking the top shorter. So for this cut, I'll start by creating a radial parting from ear to ear, dividing the back from the front, and I'll address the entire back area before moving into the front. I'm using a nice open stroke with my razor, meaning a larger stroke, which is creating a lot of softness. And her hair is extremely straight, so this will help create a little movement as well. Now that I've completed the back of Emma's hair, I'm going to go in on the sides and do exactly the same thing. So I'll take a parting right at the parietal ridge, layer the underneath, and then work that layer into the top. I'm going to go ahead and freehand the fringe and not really take any sections, just pull it down and work across the fringe area with my razor. So really just playing with where her hair is falling and picking up pieces and little chunks as it's almost speaking to me, and then removing that little bit of hair in a soft manner. I've completed Emma's fringe, and now my decision is, do I want to blend into the rest of the hair or do I want to leave it separate? And I think I would like to open up her cheekbone area a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and blend. To style Emma's hair, I'm going to use our CONSCIOUSSTYLE Styling Putty. It has a carnauba wax in it, so when you blow dry it into the hair, you get a really nice hold and a moldable feeling. To finish out Emma's style, I'm going in with the dry wax, which gives still that really great flexible hold, but it's going to give some pieciness. So we've taken Emma from a bob into a shag, keeping all of her length at the bottom and just layering out the entire shape with my razor. Thank you so much for watching. Check out more of our videos on the KMS Global YouTube channel.